If I wanted to become a millionaire in 2025, here's exactly what I would do. I wouldn't rely on luck, trends, or some get-rich-quick scheme. I'd get laser-focused on three things: income, discipline, and leverage. First, I would find ways to increase my active income as fast as possible. Whether that means freelancing, launching a digital product, or mastering a high-income skill like copywriting or coding, I'd focus on providing value and getting paid for it. The more value I provide, the more money I'll make, and the faster I can reach my goal. Second, I'd live way below my means and invest every extra dollar into assets that grow. I'm talking about index funds, dividend stocks, or a lean online business that can generate passive income. To do this, I'd track my expenses, cut the useless ones, and invest the difference. It's also important to have some cash on hand for opportunities that come up. Third, I'd leverage systems and people. I'd automate what I can, like setting up an investment system that buys a little bit every week. And I'd outsource where needed, like hiring a virtual assistant to help with administrative tasks or a social media manager to grow my online presence. And finally, I'd scale smart, by focusing on systems that can be easily replicated and by surrounding myself with a team that shares my vision. Becoming a millionaire isn't magic. It's math, mindset, and momentum. Here's the math. If you save 10% of your income and invest it at an average annual return of 7%, you can become a millionaire in less than 30 years. The earlier you start, the less you need to save. If you start at age 20, you can become a millionaire by age 60 with just over $25,000 saved. But if you start at age 30, you'll need to save almost $80,000 to reach the same goal. So the time is now. The mindset is crucial. It's important to have the right mindset when it comes to money. That means being patient, being disciplined, and being willing to sacrifice short-term pleasure for long-term gain. It also means being grateful for what you have while also being ambitious for what you want. And finally, momentum. Momentum is what carries you forward when times get tough. It's the feeling that you've got this, that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. And the best part is that momentum is contagious. When you see yourself making progress toward your goals, it motivates you to keep going. And when you share your success with others, they too can catch the momentum bug. So if you're ready to build wealth step by step, then hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because this is the year we stop watching others succeed and start doing it ourselves.